As you see, we have an extra tab opened here as well called shape format. This shape format will allow me and provide me with different settings we have for these shapes. First one is shape styles, which come in different colors and in different styles, which are all preset and we can choose from. We also have manual settings for that. So we have shape fill, we have shape outline, the color, the weight and everything. And we have shape effects as well. So I use this 3D rotation kind of thing, you know. We have alt text here as well. So it's what I just explained. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.